you ever wondered why some people seem to have a natural talent for building wealth while others struggle their whole lives? Well, here's the hard truth. It's not about talent, it's about avoiding the traps that keep most people broke. Today, I'm sharing with you the 7 things that you should avoid if you want to be rich. These are lessons that I've learned firsthand, and trust me, they can all make a difference. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Greg Hardy, and this channel revolves around basic day-to-day personal finance topics and tips that will hopefully lead you to financial freedom. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned until the end because this could be the wake-up call that you need. But first, if you're all about growing your wealth and just making smarter financial moves, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It's a small click for you, but it makes a huge difference for this channel, and it helps get this valuable information out to more people. Thank you. Let's talk about clarity. Without clear financial goals, you're like a ship without a destination. Constantly busy, but not really going anywhere. Many people work hard and even save money, but without a plan, it's easy to lose focus and get off track. Whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or building wealth for retirement, knowing your why gives your effort directions. A clear goal doesn't just motivate you, it helps you prioritize and make smarter choices with your time and your money. Start by thinking about where you want to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years. Is your goal financial freedom, owning property, retiring early? Write it down and break it into smaller, more actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $100,000, figure out how much you need to set aside each month to reach that number. The clearer your target, the easier it becomes to make decisions that will align with your vision. Having goals also helps you avoid distractions. When you know exactly what you're working towards, you're less likely to waste your time chasing trends or making impulse purchases. It keeps you grounded and focused. Remember, building wealth isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things consistently. With a clear financial plan, you're going to feel more confident, more organized, and more in control of your future. Now here's the hard truth. Many people fail to build wealth simply because they don't understand the basics of money management. Budgeting, saving, and managing debt aren't glamorous, but they're the foundation of financial success. Without these skills, it doesn't matter how much you earn, you'll always feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck. Wealth isn't about luck or high income, it's about learning to control your money so it doesn't control you. Start by creating a simple budget. Track every dollar you earn and spend for 1 month. This might seem tedious, but it's eye-opening. Most people are surprised to see how much they waste on things like dining out, subscriptions, or impulsive shopping. Once you know where your money is going, you can adjust your spending and put more towards savings or paying off debt. A budget gives you control and helps you align your daily choices with your long-term goals. Managing debt is just as important. Credit cards, car loans, and personal loans can drain your income if left unchecked. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first while avoiding new loans for things that you don't need. Remember, good money management isn't about being perfect, it's about building habits that create stability over time. When you master the basics, you lay the groundwork for real financial growth and freedom. Avoiding excuses is essential if you want to take control of your finances. Excuses might feel comforting at first because they shift the blame somewhere else, but they ultimately hold you back. Whether you blame the economy, your boss, or your past, the result is the same. You stay stuck. The truth is, until you take full responsibility for your current financial situation, meaningful change isn't going to happen. Acknowledging where you stand financially, even if it's uncomfortable, is a powerful first step towards breaking free from the cycle of inaction. To turn things around, start by looking in the mirror and being honest with yourself. Are your spending habits helping or hurting your goals? Are you putting in the effort required to improve your situation? Owning your circumstances doesn't mean beating yourself up. It means accepting where you are so that you can move forward. Once you take responsibility, you gain the power to make better decisions and create a plan to reach your financial goals. A simple way to start is by keeping a journal of your financial decisions for 1 week. Write down every dollar you spend and the reason behind it. This practice can reveal spending patterns you might not have noticed, like frequent impulse purchases or unnecessary subscriptions. With this information, you can pinpoint areas where you can cut back and redirect your money towards saving or investing. Working just for a paycheck. Imagine this, you take a high-paying job that doesn't challenge you. First, it feels amazing because you've got cash rolling in and your friends and family think you're doing great. But here's the problem. Eventually, your growth stalls, your income plateaus, and you're stuck in a cycle that limits your potential. Now think about another path, a job that pays less but helps you build valuable skills. Maybe it's challenging, maybe it's uncomfortable at first, but those skills are the stepping stones to unlimited earning potential. The key takeaway? Stop thinking short term. Focus on skills and equity. I made this mistake early on. I took jobs that didn't pay much but taught me critical skills. So if you're just starting out, look into high income skills like coding, video editing, or copywriting. These are in high demand, and trust me, if you stand out, you can write your own ticket. Let's talk about that Instagram lifestyle. Fancy cars, designer clothes, expensive trips. Looks great, but here's the reality. Most people living that life are flat out broke. They're drowning in debt, financing cars they can't afford, and maxing out credit cards for vacations. And you know what? They're stuck pretending to be rich while getting further and further away from actual wealth. Real wealth isn't about flashy purchases, it's about assets. Instead of dropping money on things that lose value like cars or boats, invest in assets that grow like stocks, real estate, or even your own business. The rule is simple. Live below your means until your assets pay for your luxuries. It's not about depriving yourself forever, it's about timing. Building wealth takes patience, and the earlier you start, the more rewarding it becomes. Sacrificing some luxuries now means you can afford them without the stress later on. Focus on building a solid financial foundation, so when you do decide to splurge, you're doing it from a place of true security, not a facade funded by debt. Trying to do it all on your own. You might think you can save money by handling every little task, but here's the truth. No one gets rich alone. Whether it's building a business, scaling a side hustle, or advancing in your career, you need a team. Look at the world's most successful people. They all rely on others. If you're just starting out, you can make money by helping others with their weak spots. For example, older business owners often struggle with technology. If you know how to build websites or run social media, you can make a fortune helping them modernize. The lesson? Learn to delegate and collaborate. It's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. Collaboration isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. By surrounding yourself with people who have skills that you don't, you can move faster and make fewer mistakes. Building relationships and leveraging the expertise of others is one of the smartest moves that you can make. Remember, success isn't a solo journey. It's about creating value together and achieving more as a team than you would ever do alone. Have you ever heard the quote, "Show me your friends and I'll show you your future"? Whether it's behaviors or habits, your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset and habits. If you spend most of your time with people who complain, overspend, or lack ambition, it's only a matter of time before those behaviors will start to influence you. We often adopt the attitudes and habits of those around us without even realizing it. That's why it's so important to be intentional about the company that you keep. If you want to achieve success, you need to surround yourself with people who share your drive and vision for growth. Successful people understand the power of proximity. They actively seek out relationships with others who inspire, motivate, and challenge them. Whether it's friends who push you to make smarter financial decisions or mentors who guide you towards your goals, the right people can make all the difference. These connections can help you see new opportunities, develop better habits, and stay focused on your long-term objectives. To start building a positive circle, look for a local networking group or join an online community that focuses on personal growth, investing, or entrepreneurship. Be around like-minded and ambitious individuals will keep you motivated and give you fresh ideas for reaching your goals. Over time, the influence of these relationships can propel you towards the success that you're striving for. Y'all, building wealth isn't just about what you do, it's about what you avoid. The traps we've discussed, working only for money, making excuses, chasing luxury too soon, trying to do everything yourself, not having clear financial goals, surrounding yourself with the wrong people, and poor money management skills are the roadblocks that keep so many people from achieving financial freedom. The good news? Every one of these can be overcome with a shift in mindset and a commitment to growth. Wealth is less about luck and more about making consistent, smart choices over time. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it's not about being perfect. It's about learning from mistakes, staying humble, and staying focused on your goals. As you work towards financial freedom, remember that the small, intentional steps that you take today are going to lead to bigger opportunities tomorrow. Stay disciplined, keep investing in yourself, and surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Your journey to wealth is within your control. By avoiding these common pitfalls and staying committed to your growth, you're not just building wealth, you're building a legacy. Keep learning, keep pushing forward, and never lose sight of the life that you're working to create. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.